Hi! In today's video, I'll be guiding you step by step on how to make stickers using Procreate. Not only will you get to express your artistic flair, but you'll also learn a valuable skill that could open the doors to a thriving sticker business. To start creating your stickers, open Procreate, tap on the plus icon to create a new canvas, and create a new canvas that is about 2000 by 2000 pixels in size, and make sure that the DPI is 300 DPI. This makes sure this is good quality and a good size for you to design your stickers on. Once you have your new canvas open and ready, you're then going to select a Procreate brush from the brush library to start your rough sketch. I like to use the Procreate pencil. I'm now going to adjust the size of my Procreate pencil, and I'm going to choose a black color, dark black, at the bottom of my color wheel. Let's test that out. Yep, that looks good. Okay, now I'm going to start drawing my rough design. I've decided to draw a sweet little cat. I've got a cat of my own who we love dearly, who really is a family member. And so I'm going to draw a sweet little cartoon cat, which I will then turn into a sticker. Your rough draft is called the rough draft for a reason. It's just a sketch with lots of loose lines, and basically you're just plotting your ideas for your final design. Once you've finished your rough sketch, you can then create a new layer, and you're going to choose a lovely inking pen. I like to use the technical pen, and this is what you'll use to draw your final outline for your sticker design. So here I'm testing out my line thickness. I'm then going to decrease the opacity of my rough sketch so that I can trace on top of it. And then I'm carefully just going to trace over the rough sketch with the solid technical pen line. You can, of course, change anything on your rough design as you go along. Some of the areas on this design I've decided to alter slightly just for a better or a cuter cat effect. Here I'm using the selection tool, freehand selection tool, just to slightly move the pupil of this cat's eye into a better position. And I'm just using the rubber tool just to clean things up as I go along. And if I want to change the position of one of my elements, I simply choose the selection tool again. I'm going to slightly tilt this eye for a different effect, like so. And then I'm going to use the selection tool again to select that eye and to duplicate it. Simply select it, tap copy and paste, and it puts the new eye on a new layer. I'm then going to flip it and then just rotate it so that it's in a similar position to the first eye. And this just adds to the symmetry and the balance of my kitty cat's face. Now that we have the outline of our final sticker design, we can start exploring colors. You can click on the color palette at the top right hand corner of your screen, and then you can choose various colors from the color wheel, or you can select the color palettes option bottom right, and you'll see there are some preset palettes Or you can create your own color palette, or you can import a color palette from an image. You can watch the video that I've put above if you'd like to know how to do that. For this kitty, I'm going to use soft oranges. This is my ginger cat. To drag the orange down so that we've got a lighter orange for the bottom half of his face. Keep dropping in colors to complete your sticker design. To make your sticker pop, you can add some highlights. Here I'm using the studio pen, and I'm going to use a lighter version of the orange on the cat to create some highlight areas. Here I'm adding some basic reflections to the eyes. And of course, we mustn't forget the whiskers. Lastly, I will add some final details to my sticker design. If you'd like to get rid of the black outline on your artwork, Alpha Lock is a great tool. Simply tap on the layer that your design is on and then select Alpha Lock. You can then go and choose the appropriate colors or the colors of your object and simply color over the black outline. If you want to give your stickers the traditional white border, there are two easy ways that you can do this. Start off by duplicating your design layer. Then select your bottom layer and tap Alpha Lock. Then you need to select black as your shadow layer, and then you're going to tap on the layer again and select fill layer. This will fill your design or the shape of your design with black. You're then going to tap on Gaussian blur, which is in the adjustments panel, and you're going to slide the slider or move the slider to the right. Very slightly, you just want a minimal Gaussian blur. You're then going to click or tap the adjustments icon again, and you're going to select curves, and then you're going to drag your curves up to the top left corner in order to sharpen that black layer. And then you're going to select white again, and you're going to drop the white into that shape. Once you've done that, you can drag that layer beneath your design layer, and you will see that there's a lovely little shadow outline to create a white border around your sticker. And that's the first method you can use for creating a border around a sticker. The second method is usually more beginner friendly, so go for this option if you are concerned about working with the Gaussian blur and curves. For the second method, you're going to create a new layer and fill it with the color of your choice. Drag it below your design layer, then create another new layer and select white. I'm using the Studio pen. I'm going to adjust the size here slightly, and then you're simply going to trace around your design. I'm going to adjust my brush settings here. I click on my brush and I'm going to go to stabilization and streamlining it. I'm going to increase those values in order to get a more stable line as I draw my outline. There we go. Just take your time going over the edges to get an even, clean line. Once you've completed your outline, you can hide your background to have a look at what your sticker is going to look like with a blank background. If you'd like to use your sticker in another digital format or digital application like GoodNotes or some sort of digital planner, or if you want to use your sticker for designs, you can export your sticker by selecting the wrench tool and then selecting PNG. Just make sure that your background remains unchecked or hidden so that when you save your PNG, it is saved as a transparent PNG. Right, now we come to the printing of your stickers, and to do that we would like to create a sticker sheet. Start off by creating a new canvas and select the size that you intend to print on. So for example, if you are printing on an A4 sticker sheet, then make sure you've chosen an A4 canvas size. You can then split your screen, open up your gallery where your stickers are saved, and select all the stickers that you intend to place on your sticker sheet and drag them onto your new canvas. Once you've dragged them on, close your gallery and you'll see each sticker is placed on a new layer in your sticker sheet artwork. Now you can arrange your stickers using the transform tool. I arrange each layer separately, and then once I have them in the right position, then I merge all the layers and resize it so that it fits neatly on my A4 page. Once you've laid out your sticker sheet, you can export it by tapping on the wrench icon once again and selecting share and selecting the file type that you'd like to share it as. You can then print the stickers on your standard home printer and then cut it by hand, or you can use your Cricut or Silhouette cutting machine. And there you have it. You're all set to create your own stickers in Procreate. It's a great way to unleash your creativity, but also take a potential step towards starting your own sticker business. Everyone needs a side hustle. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button now for more Procreate tutorials, and watch this next video on how to trace in Procreate.